Hello and welcome to all. I am delighted to present to you today Recipe Cost 360, a tool designed to revolutionize the financial management of your kitchen. Whether you are a professional chef or a home cooking enthusiast, the software is here to help you master your moves efficiently and intuitively. The software is now available for download on the Microsoft Store. This application is ideal for all cooking professionals as well as amateur cooks wanting simplified management of their culinary expenses. Discover how our intuitive interface and practical tools can transform the way you cook. One of the main features is its ability to simplify financial management. With our application, you can easily manage the costs of your recipes and ingredients thanks to our clear interface. Tracking your culinary expenses becomes child's play, allowing you to stay up to date in real time. Let's dive into the key features. First, the precise tracking of ingredient costs helps you maintain your budgets. Secondly, we offer tools to efficiently manage packaging costs, and finally, our recipe creation and analysis module allows you to optimize every aspect of your kitchen. By integrating this software into your daily routine, you not only improve your understanding of food costs but also encourage smarter and more orderly management of your kitchen. Visualize the transformations possible with our solution before and after its adoption. It is available on a variety of platforms including PC, mobile, Surface Hub and HoloLens. Make sure your Windows 10 operating system is updated to version 17763 or later to take full advantage of all the features of our application. Don't wait any longer to take control of your kitchen finances. Start optimizing your budget today with Recipe Cost 360. Download the application now on the Microsoft Store and transform the way you cook.